Alright guys, we're out prospecting in the wind today, the rain. All we're doing today is we're sampling an old mine dump, and we're going to hammer a whole bunch of samples open, and we're going to send a bunch in for analysis, and we'll show you guys all the samples we send in. So let's get to her. So here we go, we got our first sample here, chalcopyrite. Solid hunks of mineral. They're a little wet, so it's a little bit trickier to see the mineral when it's in little stringers like this. Alright, let's go find some more. Alright, so we got a bunch of samples here. We got a whole bunch more here from the other day. We had to leave because there was trees falling all over us. So we're going to hammer these open and we'll show you guys everything. And we'll show you guys what samples we're sending in. Alrighty, so we have our first batch of samples here from the mine dump. So all these samples were taken at random. They were just randomly chosen. I'd say about a third of them have mineral in them. This mine dump is a high value target for hand sorting and crushing and processing it. So this isn't actually our claim. We're working for someone else. We've got permission to do this. So let's show the samples and hope you enjoy. So we'll start here. This is the first one. Solid mineral, chalcopyrite. More chalcopyrite. So you can see you have mineral amongst your schists, and then you have mineral in the quartz as well. So this old mine produced gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc. And what we're after is the gold, silver, and copper. So these are from the high grade pile of the mine dump. And we have 10,000 tons estimated of this grade of ore. So what happened is they ended up sitting on this because of the war, and it was never processed. So all this is stuff that is viable to process, and I would say about a third of it is considered high grade. The rest is a lower grade, but nonetheless still be worthwhile to process. So again, what you're seeing here is primarily pyrite, chalcopyrite, galena, sphalerite, and you're going to see a bit of bornite in here as well, and a little bit of magnetite. See the malachite staining indicating your copper. Okay, so that was the first 8 samples. We got 8 more here. So what we're going to do is we're going to be sending in a bunch of these for analysis, and We don't want to post all the assay results at the request of the guy we're working for, but we will post a couple of them just to give you an average grade of what's left here. You can see a little bit of bornite in there. Primarily chalcopyrite. And you have pyrite too. Chalcopyrite. Some of these are a little wet, so they're hard to see. So this one shows your zinc quite well. Okay, so we got our next bunch of samples here. Quickly take a look at them. Again, some of these are wet because of the rain. Difficult to look at or see the mineral that's actually in here. You can see the pink and the nice orangey color and your yellowish color. That's the oxidization of your chalcopyrite. It's mainly from the acidic rain and your oxygen in the air. More there. Next sample, stringers of chalcopyrite through quartz. So this is pretty much a solid hunk of mineral, except for a little bit of quartz in there. So with these samples, your gold, silver, copper, most of it's going to be mixed in. This is from a volcanic massive sulfide deposit or a VMS deposit. So there is a little bit of free mill gold in here, but not a lot. So what we'll do is we'll take a few pictures of some of these after they're a bit drier and before we send them in, and we'll post the pictures at the end of this video. That way you can see the mineral a bit better. So that's the last sample we're gathering for today. We got 25 samples total. We're going to post the assay result for 2 or 3 of them at the end of the video. Post some pictures, and we'll see you guys at the next video. Thanks for watching this one.